what's up? It's your girl, pretty girl Jody, and I'm here with a new video.
Hey girlies, if you wear glasses, I think this video is for you, and if you are planning on wearing glasses soon, I think this video is definitely for you. Prescribe or not, I think this video is definitely for you. So Fytoo have sent us a package and we're gonna unbox it, so let's unbox it together.
Tony out I'm missing. Tony out of here. But text me every day. Rock my baby, Tony out of here. She love the bomber, so she fuck me on a care. The pin her man saving, saying it on a plane. One for the body that she text me every day. She well freaky and sneaky, so me cock it up and fuck it anywhere. She love sit, so me put up on the chair. So she want burp, so me feed up on the beer. But I beg you, baby, don't stop. A little and tight, make me have to come back.